Hi, you all beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sushruta. If you're coming for the first time to my channel, and in this video, I will tell you how to create this glamorous makeup look. In this video, I will tell you how to achieve this look. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and please hit that bell notification button so that you get notified for all the videos I upload. So without any further ado, let's get started with the makeup. The first step is to wash your face and then apply some kind of moisturizer of your choice and then apply primer. Primer is very important to apply before you start any kind of makeup. In this makeup I've applied L'Oreal Absolute Blur Perfect, and now I'm applying foundation. For foundation I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade Honey Radiant. I have dry skin, so I apply this foundation because this goes very well with dry skin. After that I have to highlight my face. For highlighting I'm using concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I will be highlighting my under eyes, around my nose and my high points of my face. I'm using a beauty blender to blend the concealer in my face because using beauty blender gives you a very natural and very smooth finish rather than a brush. After doing so, I'm using the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. I'm using this product to just contour my face, and then I'm using Wet n Wild Banana powder to clean that. Then I'm setting my face using Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, and for blush I'm using Lakme 925. That's it. My face makeup is almost done. Finally, I'm doing my eye makeup. For eye makeup, the first step is to apply a little bit of concealer for base, and I've applied the same concealer, Maybelline Fit Me concealer, on my eyelids. After that, I'll be blending this product with the help of brush. I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette to create this eye look. First, I have taken the light brown color and I'm applying it in my crease area. I'm using a fluffy brush to do so. You can see it's a transition color, so I'm applying with very light handed and applying in the outer corner of my eyes and then placing it in my outer corner of my eyes and then blending towards the inner corner of my eyes. The next step is to take the dark brown color. Again, I have taken the same fluffy brush. I have just placed the product in my outer corner of my eyes, and again then I'm blending the product towards the inner corner of my eyes. The same way I'll be blending in my lower lash line to give that smoky effect. Make sure you hold the brush very lightly so that the look is not spoiled, because you have to keep the brush very softly and blend it very softly to achieve these kind of looks, because blending takes a lot of time. Finally, I'm using black color. This color is from Alexis palette, Makeup Revolution Alexis palette. I have taken the black color. Again, I've placed it in the outer corner of my eyes. Then I have taken again a clean brush. I'm again blending it from the outer corner towards the inner corner. Again, taking it towards the lower lash line so that that smoky effect is maintained. Now I'll be doing a cut crease. For that, I'll be using a flat brush and use a concealer to just make a shape how I want to make my eye makeup. After I've done so, I'll be just wiping out using a q-tip and I'll just clean the area where I want to do cut crease. After doing so, I'll apply concealer again on that area so that the colors, whatever colors I will be placing in my eyelids, that will pop out, that will look really nice. So after doing so, I'll be taking a white color. This color is from Makeup Revolution Constellation palette. I have used a lot of palette in this makeup look. Then I'll be taking a light white color, off white color, in my mid area because I want the transition from white to black, and then I'll be blending that of white and black with the help of finger so that the transition becomes really smooth. So that's it. The eye makeup is done, and for that smooth effect, I'll be using a pencil brush in my lower waterline, and then using a clean brush, I'll just clean out so that the smoking effect is maintained. This is very important step, to use a clean brush to smoke out the black color. And then I'm using the Maybelline Studio Gel Liner for kajal as well as for eyeliner. I always recommend to use gel liner to get that intense black and intense eye look, because you have control when you use gel liner. Sometimes water liner spoils the look. So there you go, my eye look is completed after using little bit of mascara and fake lashes. So I am highlighting my high points using Maybelline metallic highlighter. This is in the shade rose gold, and I'm just highlighting my nose, my under my brows, and in my lips and in my high points of my face, so that the look is completed. I somehow skipped recording the lipstick. I have used Maybelline lip gradation for this makeup look, and that was not recorded, but somehow I'll just mention it in my description if you want to know. And finally, I'm using the lip gloss from Color Bar. This was the first time I'm using this lip gloss, and it turned out really good. And guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys loved this look, and you do try this look. This is a very nice makeup look which goes with Indian as well as in Western. And if you want to tag me in your Instagram pictures, I will link down below my Instagram handle. So thank you for watching, and definitely subscribe my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video.